Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a gate that we did here in this beautiful property in Woodland Hills, California. This is a sliding gate, about 23-24 feet opening, and contemporary look, contemporary style. Goes in between the two pillars, and we tilted it a little bit. The customer wanted it to kind of go down in an angle. You don't really feel it that much, but it's not completely level on the top, but that's the way we planned on doing it. And look how beautiful it is and how quiet it is, and also how heavy duty everything is. So if you're looking for quality work, being generous on materials and doing it right the first time with heavy duty components, work of value, quality, something that will last you for years and years with low maintenance, then give us a call and we can definitely help you out, and at least let you know what you really need, and give you a proposal, and then we can take it from there and you can make your own decisions. So that's about it. My name is Avi Ben David at Mulholland Security. Our phone number is 1-800-5625-770, Woodland Hills, California. Thank you for watching.